Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get the Seashells Crown in Dress to Impress. So guys, to get the crown, you need to collect all the seashells, and the first location is here, okay, nearby the podium. And then you're going to go to the secret room right here. You just need to jump. Okay, this is for the secret room, and then you can place the seashell here, and then you're going to go back to the second location of the seashells. So the second location is here, guys, nearby the lantern, this one. You can pick up the seashells and then go back to the secret room. All right, and then place it again, and you can go back to the lobby and find the third location. So the third location is on the beach. Okay, you're going to go to this area near the rock, okay, right here, and pick up the seashells and then go back to the secret room. Go to the secret room and then place the lost seashells. Okay, I'm going to click on it, and we need to wait for about 5 minutes to unlock the Seashells Crown. Okay guys, and it's already 5 minutes, and click to unlock and you will get this beautiful crown. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.